Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, in this video, we will be discussing about question number 6 of 2015 NEET physics paper. Students, let us solve the question number 6. Which logic gate is represented by the following combination of logic gates? Which logic gate is represented by the following combination of logic gates? So this is the combination of logic gates, and you have to find which one suits the out of these four. Firstly, we have to draw the diagram. This is the input A, this is another input B, this is one logic gate which is your inverter one, this is inverter one, not get. That is Y1, that is Y2. Here whatever you are getting is Y1 and whatever you are getting is Y2, and that is fed to this one. This is your OR gate and bubble with this NOR gate, and here you get Y. You have to find what is Y actually coming out from this gate. If I put A here and this is NOT gate, the property of NOT gate is that if this is NOT gate, the symbol triangle and bubble, if I put A, the what comes out here is A bar. If I give here A bar, what comes out here is A. The reverse comes out. So it is a NOT gate, and if I give A over here, what will come out? This will be A bar. This is our Y1. B is fed to this. Here Y2 will be B bar. So this part is clear. This A bar will be fed to this logic gate, B bar is fed to this logic gate. Now we have this says another gate. What is that gate? This is the diagram, block diagram or notation for OR gate. This is your OR gate. In OR gate, if you put A and B as input, you will get here A plus B. Okay, but here this gate is not OR gate because there is one bubble over here. So there is one bubble over here. If you give a bubble over here, then this is the output you will get. This is called NOR gate, then this becomes a NOR gate. So this is basically a NOR gate. So when these two are fed to the NOR gate is this one. So when I have the input to NOR gate is not A and B, but A bar and B bar, what will happen? So this A bar will appear here, B bar will appear here, and what will appear on this part? Before this, what will appear? This is A bar plus B bar. If I have a NOT, then after that what will have? A bar plus B bar, whatever is that, then NOT gate will appear. So finally the Y equals to A bar plus B bar and the whole bar. This is the ultimate result you're getting at this end out of this combination. So this is giving you finally a bar plus b bar the whole bar. And what does that represent? Now y is a bar, b bar the whole bar. If I want to separate these two from the single bar, then I have to write the plus will change to dot and dot will change to plus, because we know that if I have a situation like this, a plus b bar, I can write this as a bar dot b bar. If you want separate bar for this, then this will be the case. If I have this situation a dot b bar, I will have a bar. If I want to separate the bar, then this dot will be converted to plus, so it is plus b bar. We can check it out, then we'll proceed. For example, if I have suppose a and b, and then if I have a plus b, and I have or a plus b bar, and I have a bar dot b bar, then what will happen? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If I have the truth table, a plus b is only here it is 0, a plus b here it is 0. I write a plus b here is 0 1 1 1. But if I take the bar, then this will become 1 and all three will be 0. This is the value. If I think of a bar dot b bar, so a bar will be 1 1 0 0. This is for a bar. And what is b bar? B bar will be 1 0 1 0. If you take the dot product, then this will become 1, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0. You can check yourself that a plus b bar result is 1 0 0 0. A dot b bar here I am getting a bar dot b bar, that also is 1 0 0 0, as identical. So that is the basic logic about this. So if I have a bar plus b bar and the separate the single bar, common bar is there, I want to separate the bar, then this plus is converted to dot. So a bar was already there, I have 1 bar because this is separated. Dot b bar was already there, now 1 bar because that is given separately to the 2. A bar of bar is a, bar of bar is b, so a dot b. So finally I am getting a dot b, which is a AND function. Is the AND get. So finally we are getting is this one. It is similar to as if you are feeding the AND gate with a and b and we are getting a and b. This is identical or exactly the same as this one. So the whole of this gives you AND gate. So answer to this question is AND gate. Okay, thank you.